Hi, I'd like to review with you what we're going to do for Cahsee support for the November assessment. This year we're going to try something a little different. For the last several years we've done face-to-face Cahsee classes where we've had very little turnout and have not been able to really reach out to those kids that are further out from the Carmichael office. So this is what we're going to do instead. Uh, on Friday we'll be sending a Cahsee packet to each student taking the November assessment. In that packet there will be actually a practice assessment along with an answer key and some support flyers. Students then, over the next 2 weeks, can take that test at home or take it to the tutoring site or at a student meeting with the teacher, take the assessment there. When they go to a tutoring site or meet with their teacher, they can then go over the test and practice some of the problems that are there. On the answer key for each of these tests, the standards for each question are listed, so you can get some extra help there. In addition, for the math questions, they're also linked directly to a Khan Academy video for extra support. We will also be mailing stacks of packets to the tutors so that they'll have extras at the tutoring sites, such that if a student forgets their packet, they'll have one to work with. We'll also be sending to teachers an electronic version of the packet such that they can have it to monitor and support. And the idea is over the next 2 weeks that students can get those specific kinds of support. We'll also be offering some online classes for support as well as access to phone tutoring. And the thought would be that students then would be better prepared to take the assessment. In doing so, we're better able to serve the 400 kids that will be taking the assessment in the fall. In the packet, students will receive a printed copy of the practice test, will receive an answer key, which also links to the standards that are there. They'll also get a flyer for the Cahsee website, which also has a whole lot of other resources to use to practice. And they'll also get a flyer for the tutoring locations with the times and dates that those tutoring sites will be available for students to get help. We are letting all the tutors know that kids will be coming in for that specific support. And last but not least, the students will receive a flyer for both the phone and online help should they need it. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.